Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today what I'm showing you is I'm showing you how to get the eye look that I got right here. I showed you the brows as well, and then I finished the rest of my face off camera because, you know, user errors, technical difficulties, that kind of stuff. So if you guys want to see how I got this look today, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, starting off with the brows today. I'm actually doing my brows on camera. Surprise, surprise. I am going to be taking my Anastasia brow definer in medium brown. This may be a little bit dark for me where I'm at right now, but you know, your girl likes a dark brow, so here we go. Defining the bottom and the middle, a little bit of the tail, and then brushing through some product on the top and putting some hair-like strokes in the front. I'm also taking a Shape Tape concealer from Tarte. I think it's in light sand, and I'm gonna chisel out the bottom of my brows and blend it out with my finger. I'm taking that same Tarte Shape Tape concealer and I'm using that as my eyeshadow primer today because, you know, I didn't use an eyeshadow primer or whatever. I'm taking my Morphe 9C palette and I'm going into this color here. I can't remember which color it is. Anyway, this is going kind of in and above my crease. And then I'm taking my Smashbox Trio right here, and this red-ish kind of burgundy color is going in my crease. And I'm using a fluffy all over eyeshadow brush just to kind of blend it in. I didn't really care. And then I'm taking this Smashbox Trio and I'm taking the darkest color in it, and I'm actually going to pop this on my outer third and my inner third of my eye. So I start by pressing it into the lid, and then I go in and kind of just like blend it further into the center of my eyelid just so I get a little bit of a better fade. Then I go in here with a blender brush with a little bit of that same dark shadow and blend it out a little bit further into my crease just so the whole look looks more uniform. And I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer again, and I start by making the halo in the center of the eye, so it's kind of like a medium cut crease in the center, and I blend it down almost like a waterfall type look to the center of my eyelashes. Going back in with the Smashbox palette Trio, I take the more reddish goldy shimmer shade, and this is going close to the black and onto the concealer of the halo eye. And then going back into that palette, I'll grab the color Rose Quartz, and I'm taking this on an itty bitty little tiny liner brush and setting it right in the center of my eyelid so I get a full gradient in between the three colors. Then I'm taking some lashes and putting them on. And here is where I decide to stop the camera and everything went to crap. Hey you guys, what's up? Okay, so I'm failing as a YouTuber. I think I turned off my camera to do, I don't remember which part I turned off my camera to do, but I definitely missed like a whole huge piece of the video. I'm super uncomfortable and sad because this happens in almost every single one of my videos, and I think it's because I can't see my little record light, and then I had music on. I usually don't have music on when I'm filming, but I'm still gonna upload this video because you know what, I don't care, and I'm a wreck, and if I'm gonna set out my time to film, and whatever filming I get is what I get, I'm gonna put that out there because I know that I'm talented and my work doesn't need to be discounted just because I missed a couple clips. So for the most part, I think it's just gonna be over the halo eye today. Did a halo eye. I actually really like how it turned out. I used my new Morphe palette and my new Smashbox eye trios. So super duper cute, fun look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm really sorry I've been a terrible YouTuber lately, you know, stuff happens. So I love each and every one of you, and I will see you in my next one. Hopefully it's not as bad as this one.